How to fix your iPhone camera showing black screen. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can fix your iPhone camera showing black screen. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go it through. In order to fix that, what you can do is you can restart your iPhone to resolve minor software glitches. Now, to restart your iPhone, you can either scroll down your notification panel and then towards the top right, you can see the power icon. You can tap on it and proceed to switch it off and switch it back on, or you can press your power button and volume up and volume down button at once as well to get the restart option. So I hope this video was helpful. Now if it still doesn't fix the issue, head into your settings. Once under your settings, what you can do is you can head into your profile here towards the top and then scroll down here and you can see your iPhone details here. Now what you want to do is you want to check your iOS version and make sure that if you're not updated to the latest version, you can proceed to head into general, and under general you want to head into software update and check if the update is available and update to the latest version. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.